I firmly believe in the rule of law as a foundation for all our basic rights. This quote by Supreme Court Justice Sotomayor echoes what our founding fathers held true, that law should govern a nation, not individuals. The rule of law was a basic concern in the creation of the Constitution, and it still prevails in the United States today. The rule of law is the basis for development of a fair, peaceful, and thriving society. Even during the current pandemic, the rule of law was sustained. The Michigan Supreme Court ruled that Governor Whitmer's use of the 1945 Emergency Powers of the Government Act unconstitutionally usurped the legislative powers of the state's government. Therefore, they ensured that the governor would need to include the legislative branch in her further orders regarding the COVID-19 pandemic. Another illustration of the rule of law's dominance is demonstrated in the case of Curtis Flowers. Curtis Flowers is an African-American man who was released on September 4, 2020, after 23 years of imprisonment. He was originally tried for the murder of 4 people in Winona, Missouri, in July of 1996. But in June of 2019, the United States Supreme Court reversed Flowers' conviction, finding that the district attorney prosecuting him had discriminated against black prospective jurors at his trial. This action by the United States Supreme Court saved Flowers from the death sentence. At the dawn of this great nation, our founding fathers believed that the rule of law would be instrumental to our justice system. The importance of the rule of law has been implemented in a presidential election, in a controversy over emergency gubernatorial authority, and in criminal prosecution, including racial discrimination and jury selection. The gravity of the rule of law has not been lost on the American Bar Association. They created the Rule of Law Initiative to promote justice and human dignity domestically and in 100 other countries. As Barack Obama said, one of the challenges of a democratic government is making sure that even in the midst of emergencies and passions, we make sure that the rule of law and the basic precepts of justice and liberty prevail.